Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to link your PayPal account to TesterUp using an app. Let's get started. First, open the TesterUp app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, look for your profile icon or menu at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Profile, Wallet or Account Setting. This is where TesterUp manages your payment details. Now look for a payment method, payout settings or cash out settings. Tap on it. You will see options how you can get paid. Select PayPal as your payment method. Now enter your PayPal email address. Make sure this email is correct and keep the same email you used to log in to your PayPal. If the email is wrong, you may not receive your money. After entering your PayPal email, tap Save, Confirm or Link PayPal. You should see a message that your PayPal is successfully linked, and that's it. Always link PayPal before requesting a payout. If you ever change your PayPal email, remember to update it in TesterUp. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.